Welcome everyone. In this video we'll look at an A-level chemistry exam question on the rate equation. Details are in the description. Let's get started. Here's the first part of the question. Use the data from experiment 4 to calculate a value for the rate constant K at this temperature, deduce the units of K, and we're given the rate equation at the top there. First of all, rearrange the equation to make K the subject, then substitute the values from the table into the equation. The value of K works out to be 57. The data in the question is given to two significant figures, so it is appropriate to use two significant figures for the answer. We also need to give the units for K. Rate is measured in moles per decimeter cubed per second. Concentration is measured in moles per decimeter cubed. The units for rate constant will have the format moles to the power of x, decimeters to the power of minus 3x, seconds to the minus 1. If you're not sure how to work out the units from here, take a look at the number of concentration terms. There are 3 concentration terms in this particular rate equation. The value of x is 1 minus 3. The units for the rate constants are moles to the power of minus 2, decimeters to the 6, seconds to the minus 1. Here's the next part of the question. Calculate a value for the initial rate of reaction in experiment 5. We worked out the value of K in the previous part of the question. Simply substitute this value into the rate equation along with the concentrations of C and D from experiment 5. The initial rate for experiment 5 will be 4.0 times 10 to the minus 3 moles per decimeter cubed per second. Once again, I have given the answer to two significant figures consistent with the data in the question. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Post in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Take care and good luck with your studies.